We've come down south to Plymouth to see Alderman Tooling to find out how they implemented MIE Trak Pro from MIE Solutions, and it's already paying dividends.
We've been around in Plymouth for over 50 years. We first started as a tool-making business, subcontract metalwork, press work, and we've actually shifted our strategy over the last few years to now work alongside a lot of automated sheet metal machinery. So we were looking for a new MRP system for the last couple of years, and we were definitely outgrowing our last software provider. We needed to make sure that we could get speed of quotes done and supplied back to our customers really quickly. And we were still running off spreadsheets and very old processes and drawings. Ultimately, we wanted to grow the business without increased headcount for back office services. So, we have high ambitions to grow, but didn't require any more people in the office to service those customers. And the software's been able to do that for us.
Alderman Tooling have chosen MIE Trak Pro and shop floor data capture software in the form of kiosk. They have this implemented in order to get full traceability as they do jobs from quotation through to invoicing, which is applicable to standards of ISO 9001 and AS 9100. So as training and implementation manager, I come in right at the very start. I work with the operations managers, managing directors and key stakeholders. We look at every single process. We then look at how they do work through the shop floor, what are the key features they're going to use within MIE Trak Pro and within our shop floor data capture software, what are their key aims and objectives. We process map all of that out and mind map it so that we have a deliverable schedule of work. We then come up with a work breakdown structure, set a timeline, the most important thing being the time when they're going to go live, so we call it the go live date. And then we work around that with a training and implementation plan and then a full package of support after going live.
So originally we visited another company. We're in the market looking at software. From our current software, it was very good on the account side of it, but there was no growth for manufacturing. As we've got busier over the years, we found that to be a bit of a constraint and a bottleneck. So we were looking at various ones, and that's when we come across MIE Solutions. Because they're more involved with sheet metal and a similar industry to us, we could actually see other companies that's currently using it, and we could see the benefit of what they've gained, even though they were only in like part way through the implementation. So for us, it was an opportunity to make it more bespoke to suit us, not make software so that we have to suit the software.
So we're still new with software. Obviously we went live only 3 months ago, but we're seeing huge benefits already. So certainly speed of quotes has been great. We're able to output a lot more inquiries in the same amount of time, but also converting those quotes to actually live orders. So that's taking literally hours, not days as it used to. So we're able to get the jobs to the shop floor much slicker, much quicker. So actually customers are receiving their products much quicker. So I'm a big believer, if you buy a nice bit of new kit, if you don't get the training on it, and if you don't get the time to give your people to understand and learn the resource, then it's not going to work. So I was quite keen to, in the middle of a big growth period, to ensure that the whole team got the time to have the training, but we would get the experts in, and there's no better experts than the actual MIE solution consultants themselves and the implementation managers. So we recruited their services over a 4-month period, and they were pretty much an extension to our team. So actually we did a process mapping exercise early on so that they could understand how we worked, which processes were important to us, which KPIs were important to us. So actually they were able to embed a lot of their knowledge already and learning about us into the new system. So actually build a rapport, really good rapport with them and us, and there was a lot of trust. So that was a really helpful benefit.
I think for MIE, they've gone over and above what they probably thought that they should have done. Full credit to Nathan as well, because it's often the case where we were communicating 9 o'clock at night, talking about the bomb level structure. I mean, we even worked an all-day Sunday just to try and get the data in the system. So I can't fault MIE, to be honest with you. They've gone over and above what they said they would do. So there's definitely no complaints our end. For me, it was a great success, and it's full credit to the shop floor and all the staff. We had maximum buy-in from everybody, and we kind of worked together to achieve the goal.